We were sent these pickleball paddles. You get 4 balls and a bag. And now we're gonna rally and put them to the test.
These USAA pickleball approved paddles are great. They're really ergonomic. They feel great in your hand. They have a really good tape on it for the handle. Really good contact pad as well. Fiberglass, really great responsiveness when you hit the ball too.
I also love the design. I just think it's really, really pretty, and white is so fresh. We're having a good time playing with these, and they're great. This is a really cool bonus you get with it. So there's a little clip here, and you can wear it around your waist. It is adjustable, and then here opens up, and you can keep the balls, the extra balls in here, and kind of wear it around your waist like that fanny pack style. So you're not running around chasing balls the whole time. You have your extras here with you, which is so cool.
I love these. I know you will as well.